Minasan, konnichiwa, Samurai Engineer desu. In this video, we will orient you to the equipment, total station, and what are included in the basic set inside the box, inside this package. Okay, so we have the manual, total station. So we can expect the unit itself must be put in here. So the unit is there, so the main unit, so you have to put it here. Okay, so this is where you have to put the main unit. Then we have the battery, so we already shown you the battery, and the battery charger is here. Battery charger and the wire, power cable. This is the power cable, must be connected here to charge the battery. So we have the battery right there inside the unit, as we already shown. This is the battery. So this black portion, this one is the battery. Then next we have the cover and lens cap and lens hood. So we have the lens cap and lens hood. So this is the lens hood. Okay, so this one, lens hood, and then we have the cover here, and then we have tool pouch. So we have the tool pouch here. This is the tool pouch with tools inside. Okay, so we have the precision screwdriver inside. So precision screwdriver is this one, the small one with red handle. This is the precision screwdriver. Then we have brush, lens brush. So this is the lens brush, so similar to any other brush, but this is very sensitive and quality, quality product. So we next have the hexagonal wrench. So there are hexagonal wrench here. So this black wrench are hexagonal wrench. So those are hexagonal wrench, this one and this one. So right now there are two of this. And again we have the silicone cloth. So this is now the silicone cloth for cleaning the actually lens. Then quick manual. So quick manual is here. So this is the quick manual, and we have the laser caution sign. This is the laser caution sign that we need to peel off the backside and paste to the equipment. We have the carrying case and the strap. So this is the carrying case. This is the carrying case. Okay, so carrying case looks like this. Okay, so and we have the strap. That is the strap for carrying. Okay, so those are the complete package, basic package of the total station, and we added the option plumb bob. Okay, already connected with thread. Okay. Okay. Again, this is Dr. AP, Preaching Engineering for Nation Building.